At Microsoft, we're working with SymphonyAI to bring cutting-edge AI innovation to industrial operations, helping manufacturers turn data into intelligence and decisions into action.
Through Iris Foundry, we give manufacturers the power to see more, know more, and do more. By leveraging key Azure services, our AI applications extend capabilities to engage, consume, and surface industrial data. We unlock real-time insights, empowering frontline workers to digitize operations, optimize production, and improve overall plant performance.
Organizations using Iris Foundry have reported notable achievements, including reduction in the maintenance cost of up to 25%. These improvements translate directly into substantial cost savings for our customers. One manufacturer saved around $2 million by reducing unplanned downtime.
We are building AI solutions that empower people, enhance processes, and improve asset performance, while AI automates the rest.
Click the link to learn more.